here's our stand. These would go on the stand like this. So just so you can see, there's a contact place here. See that? It meets right there, articulates with that, and bam, Bob's your uncle. And that's how they charge, right? If we turn it around, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and we're gonna plug it into this USB-C here. I think I can get it in there. And then we plug this into our plug, okay? So yeah, that's basically how it does. And then this, of course, is gonna go in here. And I don't think it matters which one we put it in, as long as we get it in one of them. And then we connect this to the back of the TV. And that's basically it. It's pretty simple, really. Yeah, it's really easy. These we probably won't be using, but just extra cords are extra cords, right? I highly recommend, of course, reading this, you know, so you understand what the heck it does. If you lose yourself, you can just get back in here and figure it out. And it basically tells us everything that we just looked at. All right, so let's set them up and see how they work on our TV. How's that sound? So this is our TV, and I've got to pull it out, and then I'll show you all the ports in the back. All right, so anyway, this is a Samsung TV, and usually you have all your ports here, but our optical port is right here. It's underneath here. So that's where we're gonna put our optical, and then we just run it over here, and we'll put our things over here. And then we have to plug it in back there. So it's gonna be pretty simple. It's like 3 things. So here's our optical cord. Let's go ahead and unwrap it. A little gummy, these things feel. Kind of weird. All right, you're gonna notice, because this is glass. This is like fiber optics. It has this protective thing on it. And so you have to look at this, and you're gonna see the bottom of it is beveled. So when you look at your port, okay, if you see that port, you notice how the flat side's up. So the flat side on this is going to be, it's gonna be up. You follow me? So it's beveled on the bottom and flat side up. So I've got to shove it in there like this. Yeah, it's like a little door on it. I probably need both hands here. Just gonna push it in there. Pretty simple. I'm gonna hold the TV in front and then give it a little snap like that. And now this baby's in there, okay? And now we have to put the other end into our device. Next, what I've got to do is I got to get this set up. So, and I've got to kind of put this behind there and then run it through, because I've got this here goes under there and then through, and then I've got a thing in there that I connect it to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate this for now, and I'm just gonna run this down and put it through the hole down there like that. I'm going to keep this end up here because I need the USB-C. These 2 things here are going to go into our carriage that holds our headphones, okay? So I'm going to pull these through like this and just let them sit there. Let me get back here. Let me see if I can. All right, so here's my little thing. I just got to find the hole where everything goes in. Ah, there it is. So I found the hole, and that's going to be, now I got to take this and hook that up. This side is the USB-C side. That's for the carriage. So that's ready to go. Now I can pull this over here, and we can go ahead and push the TV back. All right, so anyway, I've got this, and I've got to get that connected. And you can see I did a little bit of finagle in here, and I put this lamp back there so we could see. So we'll just set that back over here. And now what I've got to do is I got to get these over here, and then we're going to slide the TV back onto its thing. Yeah, like that. And then this over here. It's long, huh? It gave me enough. That's for sure. Right now we just got to get this back. Right about there. And then pull this forward. And I think we're good there. Now I've got to go under here and find that cord. pull this forward. So you see there's my cord, and you can see down behind here. Let's move this over. Right here is where my plug is. All right, so I just I pulled it through. Got a 50-50 shot to get it each time. All right, that's ready to go. Now I just got to plug it in to this. Bam, done. All right, so now we're good. Now we got power, right? And we got our fiber optic cable, and now we just got to hook it up. All right, so this is our base, our charging base, and there's our power. So let's get our USB-C, right? And let's go ahead and smush it in there for right now, just like that. Okay, so that's powered now. That's ready to go. Again, you've got to look at it. And you notice how the curve's on the top on this? So I've got to put the curve up, right? So I'm going to go in with the curve up. And so I'm just going to put it like this. Bam, done. So now this is ready to go. I'm just going to kind of set it here for just a second. You know what I mean? Maybe we'll leave, I don't know, we might leave it there. But let's go ahead and we'll push this. I'll push this back in there for now. That's a lot of cable. It's a lot of cable. And we'll figure out what we're going to do with that after. But we just want to get a demonstration, right? We want to be able to use it. So now I think I've got enough room. Let's go ahead and we'll put these on. All right, there's one. And there's two. Okay, so now they're ready to go. And we just got to let them charge up, I guess. They might already be charged. I don't know. I don't know if it makes a bit of difference on how we do it. You know, we could do it either way, I guess. All right, there we go. Okay, so we've got the TV on. And once you've got everything ready to go, you got to come to the side here and you got to click this. TV connected. And you'll hear it say TV connected. All right, so now we're on optical. You can see it looks good. Now we just got to put it on our head and see how it works. But first I've got to get a show on there. So I'm just going to navigate down. I'm going to navigate over to Netflix. I'm going to click on it. And I'm just going to resume this show. I might have it muted. I don't have it. I'm going to mute it. Okay, so that's ready to go. So now I'm going to just take one of these and put it on my head and try it. Let's go ahead and try it. I'm going to grab this one, right? And I've got to turn it on. So I've got to come over to this E. See it where it says MFB. I got to press that for 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003. TV connected. All right, TV's connected. Now, if I want to turn it up, I hit this. So I'm going to turn it up a little bit, and we should be ready to go. Now I'm going to put this on my head and see how it sounds. Okay, so we're ready to go. We got it on, right? And I'm just going to put her on. There we go. Let's check it out.
What are we doing?
Well, we are going for a drink to just...
Works fantastic.
I'm kind of tired.
Yeah, it's good.
Great. I can do one drink.
What are you doing?
So I can go over here.
And why is he going to...
And I can turn it up and down. Wait a minute. Let me see where it's at. All right, so this is the logo. And over here, I should have my up and down. So I can click it. Either way, I can go up and down. So let's do it.
What are we trying to get out here to see? Tell me you want me to come.
I just want you to know that he
Yeah.
blew off our mother.
That works great. All right, I think we figured it out. And yeah, this is going to work out fantastic. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.